yeah, everybody wants to live a happy married life. But our society is dividing in the sex behavior of the youth. According to a survey conducted by Hindustan Times, 49% of the youth wants to accept that we want premarital sex. But at the same time, they want to marry with a virgin girl. This kind of dual standard make a difference in our society. So guys, what do you think about it?
There's a transition of generations. Okay, so the society, who are the society who are not accepting? It's our parents, so the parents of our age, matlab, that age. Okay, so there's a transition of generation. So in this, our generation is nowadays accepting it, but it's for difficult for our elder generations not accepting.
Having sex before marriage is bad, but having sex after marriage is considered as good. And after that, by the society, obviously. And after marriage, the sasuma of the family always starts like, I want a kid. That comes from sex, right? So, why it is, right at that time, and why it is not right at this, after marriage, and why not right at that time before marriage?
And who will responsible? Just one point I want to say, that we are talking about society, we are talking about culture, but society is made by us, culture is made by us. We are the only one who have done this, so we have to change this. It's the young generation. We are wearing short clothes, we are wearing western clothes, we are obtaining that culture. But why not we are obtaining sex? Why it is a problem having premarital sex? And if we are talking about premarital sex, why aren't we talking about after marriage rape? This is also a point.
Premarital sex, you said premarital sex is easy, but the, why America tops in rape case? America is the number one, state where there's highest rape cases. There is a reason for that. This is because of the premarital sex. I mean, if the premarital sex is not as open as in America, then I guess there will be a little more. Their number of rape cases will decrease with time. I think so.
Society tells us that it's dirty, flinty, and wrong, and women who have done it are sinners. I don't think it's right. If someone wants to have sex, then I don't think this is a problem or this is wrong.
My perspective is that we should stop telling the people about their sex life, because sex is not equally important for all of us. They only depends on them, they whether to do it or whether not to intimate with him. They only depend on them.
In 8th and 9th class, we have the biological chapters about the condoms and all the periods, menstruation, reproduction chapter. But the teachers always, they don't, they like, okay, let it go. What's that?
But the problem is that we are living in an Indian culture, na? But our Indian culture is like we can't tell our children or our students these kind of things.
I think culture should be changed.
Is Indian culture all about not talking about sex and not talking about the real things that is happening, not talking about what's happening in my body? Is this what Indian culture is about?
And you are saying that Indian culture. So basically, Indian culture is made by us now. Yeah. You have to change that. And specifically, if it's a problem, sex is an issue, then we should focus on that point. Why we are keeping a generation gap between children and parents?
Okay, you totally agree with this. Now then tell me about premature pregnancy. Okay, are you agree?
Precautions are there.
If who will responsible? Either a boy or
firstly,
a girl?
No one is responsible. Sex education should be there in schools. Even teachers don't want to talk about the same. So there should be sex education. They should be taught about the precautions that should be taken.
Everybody agrees with premarital sex. There's nothing wrong with premarital sex, but there are some points which should be taken care of, like premarital pregnancy, and how to use. I mean, safe sex and all. And what did you say? Sex education, and all those stuff which should be taken care of. Other than that, it's okay.
And we are not a Western country. We to maintain our Indian culture. Our parents, that's why they don't tell us the exact thing. But this is a very bad thing that they are not talking to us.
Nowadays,
but we are not using telling that this is we are using from Western countries. This is really wrong. Because this happened in ancient also.
I think sex is a form of expression. Sex is a form that is something we do for showing our loved ones to show our love. It shouldn't be like you said the Western culture about we are. It's not necessary to adopt Western culture. It's not necessary. But with what is right, we can adopt what is right. If we are wearing shorts, if we talk about women's equality, if we talk about everything, women have their sexual needs as well. Humans have their sexual needs as well. We can talk about it. We can do it.
Yeah, I think she is right because we are living in an independent country, India. We call ourselves independent. So I think everyone has right to indulge in anything what they want, but according to the age bars.
If a girl is not a virgin, then she is considered as impure. Yeah, it means we are not desi ki, guys.
Then I request you girls, please don't get married in that society or in that family who can charge you with characterless and all.
We have to change the perceptions of the people, actually.
Yes.
Yeah, we are also human being, right? Girls, it's not about girls, it's not about boys. Or after marriage, the thing happens like before marriage, we can have the right to discover whether we are sexually compatible with our partner or not. If we are not, we will not go in that way. And the thing is, after marriage, girls always decline that. No, I won't have sex. No. That is something that is irritating to boys as well. So we should see both the concepts as well.
Okay, I'm totally agree. Most of them agree with premarital sex. What about if your children asking for premarital sex? Do you allow them?
Yes, we would
Exactly. If you are in support of premarital sex, then you must be supporting your children to in future. I will be supporting. I will be supporting for sure. After a certain age, for me, 12 and 13 will do, no problem.
We will be the very lenient parents. we will discuss about these issues with our children. Yeah.
What's happening?
Yeah, what is happening at the difference between boy body and a girl's body. So they will get awareness about this, and I think then they will be their choice to have a sex or not.
I think it's the matter for judgment, and even the Supreme Court said that living relationship is not illegal. Marriage is a man-made concept, and sex is a natural act. And according to a certain age, if someone is having sex with any other partner, it's not an issue. We should change our society. We should change our tradition.
Society should not be judging them.
Yeah, exactly. You're right.
Yeah. Society should not be judging them. It's our right. It's our personal opinion. What we do.
My mother doesn't allows me to go to mandir and do puja, and she doesn't discuss anything about sex. But when I will have my children, I will surely allow them to discuss with me and allow everything which is right or wrong. I would do that.